which what different how are they different from millenniums in terms of work values and expectation?
See, every era or every generation is different from the other. So that is something which we have to accept. Okay. So the one major difference which I have identified, and I can tell it firsthand because I've been working with Gen Zs a lot. I train them a lot. I work with them a lot. That is one of my biggest audience, I would say. So few pointers I would say which is very different is the value system which they carry. Okay. I am not here to say that the millennials had a wrong value system or have a wrong value system, or the younger generation has a wrong value system. It's just different value system. The emotion which they invest in work is different, and as we discussed, I will be talking a lot about it, but just touching base on it, that we somehow we are the people who identify ourselves with the brand of our company. A lot of times, we feel proud to say I am we also, are very proud to say our college names, telling I'm an Anna University graduate, or I'm an IITN, I'm an BHUN, uh, you know, JNU, and all these things, these come out beautifully. That's what millennials are. But what I have noticed in Gen Z is the emotion is more towards what they do rather than for whom they do. They're very loyal to what they are doing, but if you say that they own, sleep, drink, eat their brands as the organizations, no. And that actually is another reason where attrition is also, a little more than normal in today's generation. It's because, again, I am loyal to what I do. And if I'm getting another opportunity which helps me explore what I do a little more, I'm not going to be loyal to the brand. Rather than I'm going to be loyal to what I'm doing to the community as such. You know,